Hey everyone, Gil at Grayman Prepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about skill inventory. But before we jump into that, just remind those that haven't had a chance to subscribe, now's a great time to do it. Just click that little red button right down there. And then when it turns gray, a little bell pop next to it. Click on that and then click all so you get notified whenever I post a new video and you don't miss out on any of these important topics. All right, so skill inventory. Time to pull out the notebook and start writing stuff down. Make a list of all the things that you do not know how to do that you want to learn how to do in one column. In the next column, make a list of the stuff you already know how to do. Next to that, put a number. 1 through 5, rate it or however you want. Yeah, I know a little bit about it. I can teach other people how to do this really well. I am an expert in it. So like if you're an auto mechanic, that's what you do for a living, that would be a 5. That would be the expert. I know how to do it and I can teach other people how to do it. If you're just learning how to garden and you've learned a few things, I know a little bit about it. And so you look, see where your current skills are at. And then you also, once you have your other skills written down that you want to learn, next to those, put a number of from 1 to whatever of what you think is the most important skill that you need to learn first. All right. And then once you have that written down in the notebook and stuff, bring up a spreadsheet on your computer. Transfer it all over there, put the numbers in, put these on 2 separate tabs. So the skills you want to learn on one tab, the skills you already have on another tab. On the skills you want to learn, and use the second column for rating them, 1 being the most important on down. Yes, you can have several of them that are marked 1. Then you go through and you sort it, use the sort key up above and you sort them. So and you sort it by lowest to highest for that column that has numbers in it. It sorts the entire page to match it. And then you instantly see which ones you have judged to be the most important. And then you can renumber again. Well, this one's more important than that one. And you start renumbering them again in another column and get it to sort again that way too. You sort the one column first, then by the second column. And it's one of the amazing things that Excel does. On the skills that you already have, once you have them listed as what you are an expert at, the things you need to know more about, that you know a little bit about, you can see where you need to improve on the skills you already have. All right, this is just something to help you out so you can get yourself better situated in your situation so you're ready for anything. All right, so hopefully this will help you out. It only works if you're behind it and you try to use it. And then you make a list of what you need to learn first. All righty. With that, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Add to your preps, water, food, medicines, skills, and more skills. Why? This is why.